What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking. One of the first questions that people usually ask me is how much money they need in order to get started in watch trading. The real answer is just a few $1,000s, but the broader answer is the more the better. The more money you have, the more watches you'll be able to stock, the more that you'll sell. If you've got a lot of working capital, you'll be able to follow my investment strategy as far as how much to allocate to which type of watch that I'll get into more in my mentorship. It's a strategy that's worked well for me, knowing that Rolexes tend to sell faster at a lower margin versus non-Rolexes that trade slower but at a higher margin. Ultimately, if you just have a few $1,000s to start, that's fine. You just don't need that particular strategy. As far as my return on investment, if you consider how much my working capital is and my average profit each month for the last 19 months, it's right around 7.02%. That's 7% a month compared to roughly 1% a month if you were to invest in the S&P 500. I know it's not really a fair comparison because there's work involved in what I do. But if you're thinking 7% is really good, even with a little bit of work, I absolutely agree. And I'll add that the way I do it is really conservative. I do this for fun and I don't want the stress, but there are some people that will spend all of their working capital, cut deadlines a lot closer, commit to buying stuff before a sale is finalized in order to maximize their number of transactions, that type of thing. I don't do that. Another reason I think my return on investment is pretty good is because I get offers for investors pretty frequently. So in case you don't know, an investor will give you working capital. If you buy or sell a watch with their money, the profits are split 50-50. It's a win-win because it's extra deals and profit that I wouldn't have had without that extra capital. The reason I don't do it is because for me, then it's not fun. For me, it's no stress. These are my watches. They're all paid for with my money. If the market tanks or if I make a mistake and all of this stuff just sits, it's all paid for anyways. And I can sleep just fine because I didn't lose any money for anybody except myself. So if you're interested in doing this, shoot me a message down below or on my Instagram, my watch guy, one word. Just because this is my strategy doesn't mean it's the right strategy for you. I like it because I've got a full-time job and I really just want to do this for fun. So a few hours a week, answering messages here and there, posting on Facebook, that's all I want to do. We'll sit down and talk about what your goals are. Maybe you want to start off slow, but eventually scale this to full time and quit your job. Maybe you're okay with more volume and less margin. I know guys that do that also. Maybe you are comfortable taking on investors. I'll show you how to do all that and build your business to eventually facilitate exactly what you want. Just a quick video today. Wanted to share my return on investment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my last video also. If you haven't, please check that out. I talk about my average profits and stuff as a watch trader. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you're interested in my mentorship, shoot on over to my Instagram. Again, my watch guy, one word, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.